Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to take time to show you guys a brand new 2021 Scout 255 Dorado that we just got custom ordered for a customer. But at least wanted to walk you through the options that this boat had because it's a very nice, well-equipped boat. We'll start with the hardtop that I'm standing under. This customer opted for the aft manual sure shade. So you'll see this goes well past that back seat, almost down to the engines back there. So even when this aft seat is deployed, or the side seats, you have plenty of shade. So we've actually got 2/3 of the boat all covered up nice and quickly, and then easily converted back to our fishing setup, or if we're just sitting at sandbar, we're going to swim for the day. He did opt for the cockpit table, so we've got that stored on the boat. We'll walk you through. We've got the quick systems access in here in the back. So easy access to our pumps and filters. We got a through-hole transducer down there. Great place for stern anchors and kids' toys as well. Little glove boxes back here for your fishing tackle. Standard starboard port entry with your dual swim platforms on each side. This boat is equipped with the ski tow option as well as the Yamaha digital 150s. This customer also opted for, if you'll stand back, look down here, Carl, opted for the dual engine motor flush system. So there's a quick disconnect that's in the back. Hit that button once, hit that button twice. It'll change the cycles as far as how long that water cycles through those engines. This customer also equipped this boat with the fender pros. So those are quick disconnects fender pins for your fenders. Moving over here to the starboard side, we have our standard wet bar, flip cutting board on the back side of there on that Corian countertop. We have our cutlery cabinet. Those are pulled out so you can use it for storage if you so choose. And we have our standard 35 quart sliding Yeti. This customer opted for the upgraded stereo system, so it's got the larger JL audio system, as well as a 10-inch subwoofer and amplifier. Moving over here to the port side, this is a very cool function from Scout. We have this automated aft lounge seat, so we can deploy this to an aft lounge. This seat will go all the way out. There's a cooler box underneath this cushion here, and this backrest will deploy and recline as it deploys all the way out. While that's going out, I'll show you also the ski locker, how deep it is. We have access to our batteries down there as well, but a huge storage locker for your water toys and accessories. We also have a standard trash receptacle right there underneath the helm seat. And now, Carl, if you'll pan over, you'll see this lounge in its deployed position. Now it has a reclined backrest. This port seat deploys. And now, under our shaded cockpit, we have a beautiful aft lounge facing backwards, watching water sports, or just sitting at the sandbar. So, Carl, we'll walk forward here and we'll showcase the helm. So we've got the 10-inch upgraded Garmin screen. Notice there's no engine data or anything like that. All that runs through this Garmin screen by quick pushes of the buttons. So we can get that display from our Yamahas right there easily, conveniently. Locking glove box with USB ports, 12-volt charging as well. Our push button displays there for our pumps and lights. Trim tab indicator switches, tiltable helm, and as well as the upgraded Edson steering wheel. This customer also opted for the battery charging system. We'll plug in there at the dock. We have our head system. So we've got the vacuum flush head system, the pump out. A lot of storage there if you so choose. We've got a port diverter door, so you can close this windscreen off for those nastier days. Also have storage just inside of the helm where we got our covers stored at the moment. The good dry storage for all those big bags. In the bow, we have the bow filler lounge put in that easily removes. Armrest on both port and starboard. You've got lit glove boxes and drink holders. This boat is standardly equipped with the windlass system with the push buttons both port and starboard, and then as well as the rod holder cup holders right there in the bow. So if this customer wanted to add the bow shade, they can also do so after the fact. This customer did opt for the bow boarding ladder. So through the bow there, they can nose up to the beach and quickly deploy that just over top of our windlass system. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour of our 2021 255 Dorado from Scout Boats. Again, my name is Dotson Geist. We've got Carl Anderson behind the camera here. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach us out at 843-747-1889. And again, let us know if we can help you. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.